What's going on, everybody? It is Charlize Walker of Lisa's Business Enterprise here with another Make It Happen Monday credit tip. And today I'm going to be talking about the part three of five series that I'll be doing. Remember, I'm going over the credit score data and ways to improve your credit score, the factors that make up your FICO score. In each of those factors, I'm telling you how to improve your credit. Basically, it's what I do. So before I get right into it, I always mention my book, Take Charge of Your Credit. In this book, I have a part of talking about understanding your credit score. I don't go into great detail because I already have done with our nonprofit organization that lead. I have a e-learning workshop where you can register, get in, and it's self-paced. It takes less than an hour. Even if you say, I'm going to do 10, 15, 20 minutes a day, it'll be done. So I talk about the basics and I teach the basics of credit literacy. It's called an educational credit literacy workshop that I do with our nonprofit organization, Professional Career Development Services, which is a career readiness, job preparation, and skills training organization. However, credit is, again, attached to jobs, some jobs, and I do go over that in that as well. So I'm sure I have the link and everything where you can sign up if you want to learn a little bit more about the credit basics because this will all align and you'll be able to understand. So let's jump right into it. Let's get into it. So, part three is the length of credit history, or sometimes it's called credit age or just credit history. And 15% of your credit score is the length of credit history. So, in hindsight, the longer your credit history, the better. This percentage incorporates the age of your oldest account, the age of your newest account, and the average of all your accounts. So, what I have seen, especially with my own and helping people with their credit repair or credit repair as a credit repair specialist doing consultations and everything, I've seen that the oldest account is usually like the student loans because I have student loans and that is the oldest, for me, it's the oldest good standing account. Other things could be like your credit cards if you had them for a while. If you have a retail card that you've had for a while, I think the last video I talked about a JC Penney card. I don't have that no more, but I had it for a long time. And installment loans, such as like your mortgage, if you have a mortgage, because usually a mortgage is going to be like 15, 30 years. So that's going to be on there. And if you've been paying everything on time, that is going to be reporting again, positive accounts, as long as you are making a payment and everything on time, the longer the better. So a longer active credit history is better for your score. Okay? So lenders, creditors, they like to see that you have had credit for some time. Keep your credit cards open, especially if you have had them for a long time. Long-term stability helps raise your credit score. So, have patience and keep your accounts in good standing. Your score will be getting better over time. I'm telling you, even if I would say for the people that starting off in credit, you're like, oh, I got a credit card, whatever. Remember those couple of months, be 2, 3 months, 6 months, a year. Keep them in good standing. And again, your student loans follow you anyway. And a lot of people, some people wants to get them off of their credit reports because of the debt to income ratio, especially if they're going for a house. But if it's attached to and if it's in good standing, I say don't take it off because that can really hurt and drop your credit score because of the length in credit history. So again, have patience and keep your accounts in good standing. Okay.